Hey, Lance Sumner here out in Springfield, Virginia, the Washington, D.C. area, and I just want to put a plug in first. Go Caps! Washington Capitals took the Stanley Cup here in the D.C. area and finally have a championship team since 1992 with the Washington Redskins. So it's awesome. Our city's alive. People are everywhere, and just pretty amazing. Awesome games. Awesome games. I don't know if you're a hockey fan or a sports fan, but if you are, it was definitely awesome. And it's amazing to see what happens in the city when things, it just goes crazy. But anyway, this video here is really just about sharing with a beginner out here online and wants to learn about affiliate marketing or how to even get started making money online and actually do it the right way, because so many people are doing a lot of wrong things, and people I talk to every day are sick and tired of trying stuff, getting involved in an opportunity, not knowing what to do once they get started, failing, and let me tell you, failure is part of the learning process. I've been online for a little over 10 years, and I will tell you that I went through a lot of struggles and failures, make a little bit of money here and there, but a lot of loss. Okay, but I never gave up. I'm an Army again. I'm going to tell you right now, if you would just never give up and follow through and study and learn whatever you get involved with, learn the process, the steps, what the right way to do it, and start using the right tools, lay the right foundation. And this is why I want to share this with you, because it's real important. I never had this. We never had the, I guess about 10 years ago or even 5 years ago, the type of systems and things that are available for us with the what I call all-inclusive operating systems that have the tools all integrated in it, the multiple streams of income, the things that are available to help you build the business the right way. And this is why I want to share this with you, especially for the beginners online. I hope you see this, and anybody that's has been trying to get started making money online from home and being able to work from home. And it's just real important for you to kind of get this point about having the right tools, automation, a system that has automation with it, very critical, having the right tools to build the business, understanding about traffic generation, the right training, and the right support, and actually having support. Too many of these programs where all of a sudden you join something and your direct sponsor goes into the witness protection program. What's that about? Look, I need help, right? Need help. So, but anyway, this is all about, and this is also for any entrepreneurs out there. You want to continue to build and grow the income because of the level of training here. I want to share with you the 4% challenge. And I've shared this with the people I'm connected with, members that are on my list that I have, and I've shared this with them before about step by step. This takes a person through step by step exactly what to do, how to do it, and start getting results and building that income. Now, income disclaimer real quick. There's no guarantee online of any income. And the way I put it is, you actually have to do something. If you want results, you're going to have to put the time into it, do what's shown, and start producing the results by taking action and doing those things which are shown to do. Period. It's like any business. You got to put the effort into it. You got to put the time into it. So, but anyway, here at the 4% challenge, Vic Strizheus, awesome dude, awesome, has laid out the 4% challenge where you can come in and do what he calls success pill training, the daily success pills. It's an analogy. Go through the training, and at the end of each training, he even gives you action steps that if you'll do those, you're beginning to put everything in place, start to get results, and start building and growing the income, which is going to be a residual and a kind of passive income. Now I want to show you a little background. Here is the dashboard in the back office. Has everything you need all laid out in here where you can go to the challenge. Let's show it to you in a second. Core products, which are over here, where you can be a promotional partner. Get yourself started in the challenge. Risk-free trial, $1, just $1. Test it out, period. You're gonna be like going, man, where has this been? Right? That's exactly what I said. Internet traffic mastery. If you want to understand traffic, This is an absolute must. Internet Traffic Mastery is going to show you all the different strategies, the methods to use on driving traffic to your offer, your opportunity. And this is for any opportunity. This is just teaching you about traffic and have it continue flowing into your site, period. And just so it has so much, and there's just so much. And then the E stage, which allows you to set up your hub on the net, where you become, it's professionalized setup for you, so that you actually have your hub on the net, and allows you to bring people to your site and actually have traffic coming direct to your hub. Okay, it's just a professional, but everything, those are those serious core building blocks here to get you all set up correctly. But it's step by step, going through to teach you exactly how to set up everything, what to do, start generating results. All right, and over here it has down the left menu, you're going to show your dashboard, so you have some data, some metrics, where you stand within the results. The funnels, you already have what we call a single ecosystem funnel. We're going to show you how to deal with traffic, drive that traffic right into the single funnel. People come in and get started, start doing the same thing, building their business the right way, generating results. And all of this, of course, when you're building your business, begins to help you increase even more, period. Okay, all your customers, you have all the information about who's in your line, who's in your team, your commissions, payouts, and MSI. For those of you who don't know what MSI is, it's multiple streams of income. These are already built in. We have multiple streams of income. All you have to do is go over and set those up, just as is shown in the training. Set all those up, and as people come in and get started, it's going to begin to build streams of income for you from this being set up. So do not forget to set this up. Take the dollar trial. Test this. You're going to be amazed with what happens, just like it has been for me. And I've been going for a few months now, and it's really generating and growing and continues to grow. And it's just, I'm getting the results that I've needed for so long. All right, so over here, and you have some other additional information to go in and look in. Events, live broadcasts, live streams, like I said, in the funnels. But I want to take you, of course, to the challenge to show you what you kind of get in here in the back office, the Success Pill training. A second here, load up. And this is geared, now the other thing about the challenge, it is geared to help you reach your first $10,000 month. Okay, of course, there's no guarantee in any of that. Okay, it can't be, you can't just guarantee, because if you're not going to do what's shown, then don't expect results, period. So you're going to go through these trainings, okay? And you really, when you get to session 5, that's an awesome training. Vic lays out the numbers, that even if you followed what we showed you to do and started driving the traffic and only brought in a couple of people per day, what that equates to, how that all, and that's, you just watch the video. Vic Streishaus is the one showing you exactly and actually producing results, showing you as he goes. He's actually doing it, showing you what to do, and showing you how it's producing results, so that he's leading by example. That's important. Lead by example. All right, and then of course we're going to have you listen daily to get your mind, for the people out here who are so stuck in negativity, you want to get your mind programmed right with that positive mindset, the entrepreneurial mindset, to achieve success. That's critical. You can't listen to your family members, you can't listen to these friends, oh, it's nothing, it's a scam. No, you can't do that. You're going to have to, and be focused on achieving your set goal. We're going to have you set a very specific goal with a set time, and follow the training and do the action steps to achieve your goal. Okay, so anyway, in here, so we got this in here, and then he's going to have you activate in here the multiple streams of income on session 5, where he's going to talk about that. Here's how you do it. Here's where you go to do it. So anyway, just want to take a short few minutes with you. I'm going to leave a link below this video. Click the link, go over, take the dollar trial, test this out. If you do not like it, just cancel out of it. I'm not going to, this is not for me. period. Okay. I'm sure you can kind of see in the back office, you have everything you need to set up the right foundation, start building an income the right way without the failure. The key is without the failure. I've been through lots of failure, and I've been waiting for so long for a system that had what was needed to lay the right foundation, and you'll find that in the 4% challenge. So go ahead, I hope this is helpful for you. I hope for the beginners out there that are listening, or any of those that want to get started making money online and do it the right way, that this has been helpful for you. Please reach out to me anytime. I'll also leave my Facebook in there. You can message me anytime. We can connect up, and wish everybody the best. Click the link, take the challenge, see what I mean.